Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In 2024, IKEA continues to be a trendsetter in the world of home furnishings, introducing innovative and sustainable designs that reflect the evolving needs and preferences of consumers. Embracing a holistic approach to living spaces, IKEA's 2024 trends showcase a blend of functionality, aesthetics, and eco-conscious choices. One prominent theme in IKEA's current lineup is the emphasis on multifunctional furniture. With urban living spaces becoming increasingly compact, IKEA addresses the challenge by introducing pieces that serve multiple purposes. From modular sofas with hidden storage compartments to extendable dining tables that adapt to varying group sizes, the collection reflects an understanding of the modern lifestyle's demand for versatility. Sustainability remains at the forefront of IKEA's design philosophy in 2024. The brand continues to prioritize eco-friendly materials, exploring alternatives that minimize environmental impact. Whether it's furniture crafted from recycled materials or energy-efficient lighting solutions, IKEA's commitment to sustainable living is evident in every aspect of its product range. The notion of personalization takes center stage in IKEA's 2024 trends, recognizing that individuality is key to creating a home that truly feels like one's own. Customizable furniture, modular shelving units, and mix-and-match decor options empower consumers to tailor their living spaces to their unique tastes, fostering a sense of ownership and creative expression. Technology integration seamlessly finds its way into IKEA's 2024 offerings, enhancing the smart home experience. From furniture with built-in wireless charging capabilities to smart lighting systems that adapt to daily routines, IKEA combines cutting-edge technology with functional design, catering to the increasingly digitalized lifestyles of its customers. Aesthetic trends in 2024 at IKEA reflect a harmonious fusion of contemporary and timeless design elements. Neutral color palettes dominate, creating a serene backdrop that allows for easy integration of statement pieces or pops of color. Natural materials, such as wood and sustainable textiles, add warmth and authenticity to the overall aesthetic. In summary, IKEA's 2024 trends exemplify a commitment to adaptability, sustainability, personalization, and technology integration. As a pioneer in the world of affordable and stylish home furnishings, IKEA continues to evolve with the times, offering solutions that resonate with the diverse and dynamic needs of today's consumers.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!